So we have a leadership series, and under this leadership series, then these industry stalwarts, they are called, and then the students have discussions with them, and the students actually can have an understanding of the live problems which the industry is facing. And at the same time, the participation of the industry is also sought into the training programs, and some of the training programs which are being conducted by us, the industry also is taking part into that. We have a very structured mentorship program as a part of our delivery. What we do is that we appoint 2 mentors per student. One is an internal mentor, which is faculty, and another mentor is an industry expert. The students can schedule their appointments with the internal as well as external mentor, and can discuss their professional issues, their personal issues, or even academic issues and personal issues also they can discuss, and they can find a solution to that particular issue.